So you just download your Hermes desktop app and you're trying to figure out how can I actually test this whole system without spending any money? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually do that. So the Hermes agent actually comes with a tier of models that are available for free. And the way you do this is you want to go ahead and connect the Hermes portal. They do have their own subscription as well, but they do have a free subscription that gives you access to free models. And some of those models are actually pretty decent. There's a new one that just came out a few days ago that I've been playing around with. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get access to that. So when you have opened up your Hermes Agent desktop app, the first step you want to go ahead and do is you want to go to the very top here, click Open Settings, and then you want to scroll down to Providers. So once you select Providers Accounts, you will then see this button that says Norse Portal Recommended. This is what you want to click on to open the Norse Portal research site, and this is what you're going to get. You're going to be able to see the free plan, which gives you access to all the free models. You don't need an API key for this. And then you have a $20 plan and a $100 plan and a $200 plan. All these are basically plans where you get access to all models. So very similar to how OpenRouter works, but this is going through Norse Research. And Norse Research has started partnering with some of these LLMs to get some significant discounts. So this is a quicker way to set it up. But if you want to just go ahead and use the free plans, then I recommend you just go ahead and select the free plan here. And once you click this, it'll ask you a few questions. Obviously, it will ask for your credit card information, even though it's going to be free. And then once that is all set up, you will then have access to the free models. So let me go ahead and sign in, and then I will walk us through how to actually activate the free models. So once you have successfully logged in and gotten access to that free tier of the Norse Portal subscription, you will then come to the bottom here and you'll notice that you will be given the Ox Alpha free model. And this is A23 2026. So it's currently free on the Norse Portal. This is one of the newer models that everybody has been talking about that is actually really good for a free model. It is an open source model, but a lot of people don't actually know who the actual creator of this model is. If it's an open source Chinese model, if it is another US model, European model. So it's interesting, but it is out there and it is free and it's actually really good. But if you want to look at some of the other free models, you can click this button here. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you will see Sola Pro 4 is free. LongCat 2.0 is medium is free as well. And then you have a lot of free models, and you'll notice that they have the text next to them free. Laguna S 2.1 is free. And all these are the models that are actually, you also have some of the other paid ones as well, like Kimi and Minimax. All these models here are all part of that Norse Portal. So Norse Portal, you can also get access to all the paid models, but you can also get access to the free ones. So this is a quick way to get access to Hermes, give it some free LLM, and then test it out without you having to spend a dime. So I think this is a pretty cool, neat feature. You don't have to get an API key. You don't have to mess with all that. It's just quickly logging in, going into the settings, signing up for the free tier, and then boom, you get access to some of these free models. So right now, Ox Alpha is the big model that everybody has been using on the free plan. And let's go ahead and test it out and see actually what it can do for us. All right, so I'm going to test out this new model, Ox Alpha. I put it on Ultra, which is the highest version of this model. And I've put in a prompt here: design us a beautiful landing page for a luxury car dealership with some images of exotic cars. The dealership is called Prestige Motor Cars, and it is located in New York. Looks like it's working fairly quick. So the AI started to generate some images of some cool luxury looking cars. So far, so good. And again, this is a free tier model, so you don't even need to pay for any of this. This is all free which is pretty amazing right now. Now we'll see what happens. Maybe this will end up becoming a paid model, but it looks like the download is complete. So it has generated some images for some cool exotic cars for us, and it's gonna add them to our website so we can see what that website looks like when it's done. So as you can see here, it has generated 6 images for the hero, for the 4 collections and the showroom. And now it's gonna start building the landing page, and then kind of verify in browser and desktop mobile works and make sure it fixes all the issues before it shows me the preview. So I was able to build this website for me, Prestige Motos. It looks pretty cool, pretty exotic, even the font that it used. But one of the issues I was seeing in here was it didn't give me the actual images that it had generated. So what I went ahead and did is I just took a screenshot of this and I pasted it in here, and I basically said, this is what I see. I don't see images of the car, and the local server was not running as well. So I asked it to go ahead and fix it. So now it's trying to fix all this, and let's see what it can come up with. Okay, so it looks like the model was able to figure out what the issue was. There was a few HTML issues and local server issues, but ultimately it was able to fix the entire website that it had created, and here we are. This is Prestige Motos. It pretty much one-shot this whole website, so this is really cool. I mean, you can basically build a free website with a free model today using the Hermes agent. So this is our website. It rendered the images there in the background. So these are the 4 concept cars that it created initially for us. And as you can see, they're pretty cool. So now one thing here is it's not gonna write Ferrari or Lamborghini just for legal reasons. So that's why you kind of have these almost like made up cars in here. But again, the idea is you want the website, and if it's running and working well, you can obviously have the dealership you're creating this for upload with their actual real images of the car that they sell. But I like it. I like the design. I think the design is really cool. The font is pretty cool. It went with like this black and gold exotic look. It found an address in New York, put some numbers, hours of operation, has a kind of like a request appointments section here. And, you know, the font is great. You know, it's faded here, kind of a showroom area. So really cool. Overall, this is really, really cool that this can be done with an open model. And again, I just wanted to test this out and see actually what these free models can do. So to recap, you can get access to free models that are available through the Norse portal. And these models are LongCat 2.0, Laguna S 2.1, Laguna XS 2.1, Ox Alpha, which is the best one probably right now. And this one may potentially be paid in the future, but right now it's free and probably the best one to use. You also have a few others like Solo 4.4 Pro, HY3, and then you've got Step 3.7 DOS Flash. So ultimately, the goal here is that when you are trying to test out the Hermes agent, or if you're interested in testing out the Hermes agent, go ahead and create your account on their website with the $0 a month subscription, and you will get access to these free models. And then download the Nose Research Hermes desktop app, and you will be able to start playing around with these models. So hopefully you learned something in today's video. And if you enjoy learning about AI agents and how to set them up, please subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.